This is Rebecca with Booming in LA, and today I decided to explore a little bit about Culver City. So the first place I'm stopping at is the old Helms Bakery that was built in 1931 in like a zigzag modern design. And right now the bakery has been closed for quite some time, but I remember as a kid the Helms Bakery guys coming and delivering pastries in their little trucks. So anyway, it's a really cool building and it's in a really lovely part of Culver City, which is a great place to visit because there's all sorts of restaurants and things to do here. And it's also the site of a lot of movie production studios. And so let's see what we can see. The Helms Bakery was founded in 1931 by Paul Helms. It was an iconic Southern California institution famous for its daily fresh door-to-door delivery. The business started with only 32 employees, but expanded to over 1,000 yellow coach trucks with whistles that delivered over 150 different types of baked goods across the region. It was the official bread of the 1932 Olympics. The bakery closed in 1969 due to an influx of retail stores. Its historic zigzag modern style building is now a premier design and restaurant district. Ivy Substation was built in 1907, where Red Line trains took passengers throughout the city. It's now home of the Actors Gang Theater, founded by actor Tim Robbins. Near the Culver Steps is the Beaux-Arts style Culver Hotel. It was built by Harry Culver, the city's founder, in 1924. It's best known as hosting all 124 Munchkins during the filming of The Wizard of Oz. Legend has it that they got pretty drunk and rowdy during their stay, although that may have been a rumor. Greta Garbo, Clark Gable, and Ronald Reagan stayed there. Another legend suggests that Charlie Chaplin sold the hotel to John Wayne in a poker game. The hotel was restored in the 1990s and is now a 4-star boutique hotel. The hotel's grand lobby is historic and elegant. The Culver Steps, next to Culver Studios, where Gone with the Wind was filmed, is a public town square perfect for socializing. It features a grand staircase, retail stores, restaurants, and office spaces. Haley House, once a 20s-era boarding establishment, is another boutique hotel nearby with a great bar and restaurant.